Okay, we're looking at chance and data. So we have a coin that we're going to toss. Coin. And the 4 aces from a deck of cards. And the question is, what is the chance? What chance tails, then red card? So that's what we're going to work out. What is the chance of flipping a tails and then picking a red card out of the 4 cards? Alright, so we talk in events. So the first event is going to be the coin toss, and the second event is going to be the selecting a card. So we've got 2 events happening. So with the coin then, the first event, we can either go heads or we can either go tails. We can't do anything else. Let's say that we flip to head first. Now the second event, we think about those cards. There are 2 black cards and 2 red cards. So we've got 2 black cards that we could 2 black aces and 2 red aces. Okay, that's the spades and clubs are the black ones, and the diamonds and hearts are the red ones. So we could go heads, and then we could go black or black again, the second black card, or we could go red. We could go red again. There's nothing else that can happen. If we toss a tails first, it's the same thing. We could go the first black card, we could pull out the first black card, the second black card, we could pull out the red card, or there's another red card, isn't there, in those cards. Alright, so we've worked out all the possible things that could happen. So now we need to count them. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's out of 8. There are 8 possibilities here, 8 things that could happen. Now look at the question again. What is the chance of tails? So we're looking down here at the tails. Tails, then a red card. So we could go tails, then red there, or tails, then red there. So there are 2 chances out of 8 we've worked out. And to simplify it, we go 2 into 2 goes 1, and 2 into 8 goes 4 times. Okay, 1 chance out of 4 is the answer.